Hello students, in today's chemistry class, I am going to start chapter 2 Physical and Chemical Changes. Before going to start physical and chemical changes, first see what is change. As you know students, we are seeing in our surroundings so many things are there, and whatever the things are present in our surrounding, all substances undergo changes, and that change can be fast, it can be slow. Some changes are noticeable, some changes are non-noticeable. The changes which are slow, it doesn't mean that it is not a change. It's a change, only the rate is very slow. So first see the definition. Changes in the transformation of a substance from one to another is called change, and all things in our surrounding undergo change. For an example, boiling of water, water boils and changes into vapor form. Burning of candle, when we burn a candle, the wax melts and again it solidifies. Glowing of a bulb, it's also a change. Melting of ice cream, beating of metal into different shapes, rusting of iron, burning of coal, explosion of firecracker, all these are changes. There are different types of changes. First type, desirable and undesirable. Second, reversible and irreversible. Third one, exothermic and endothermic change. First see desirable and undesirable change. Desirable change means a change that we want to take place and is useful to us, like ripening of fruits, germination of seeds, curdling of milk for preparing cheese. These are the some examples of desirable changes. In contrast, undesirable change, it's a change that we do not want to take place and is harmful to us. Example, rotting of fruits, curdling of milk, mint for drinking, and rusting of iron. These are the some examples of undesirable change. Now the next is reversible and irreversible change. Reversible change means a change that can be reversed by reversing the conditions which caused the change. For an example, melting of ice. If we will increase the temperature, the ice will melt into water, and if we will decrease the temperature, then again water will solidify to make ice. Folding of a paper, stretching of a rubber band, these are the some examples of reversible change, and in this change the substance again regain its original shape and composition. Now the next is irreversible change. A change that cannot be reversed is called an irreversible change. Example, burning of a candle, bursting of a balloon, cooking of an egg. These are the some examples of irreversible change. Now the next is exothermic and endothermic change. A change in which heat is released is called an exothermic change. For an example, burning of a candle, burning of fuels and firecrackers. In all these changes, heat is released and is called a exothermic change. Now next is endothermic. A change in which heat is absorbed is called an endothermic change. Cooking of food, boiling of water, melting of ice. These are the some examples of endothermic change. And in example, in the picture you can see there is boiling of water is there, and in this water boils to form steam. It's a endothermic change. Apart from these, there are some more types of changes. First, slow change, the change that take longer time to occur. For an example, growing of trees and growth occurs in the body of a human body, that also a slow change. Next is fast change, the change that occur in a short span of time, and its example is lightning and electric bulb, burning of a paper. All these are fast change. Next is natural change, the changes that occur in nature in their own. That examples, earthquake, change of day and night, all these are natural change. Man-made change, the change that occur due to human activities. Example, making a chapati and building a house. These are man-made changes. Next is periodic change, the change that take place at a regular interval of time. Example, changes of day and night, changes of season. And the last one is non-periodic change, the change that do not take place at a regular interval of time. Example, sudden shower of rain, earthquake, thundering, landslide, all these are non-periodic change. Today's homework, what is undesirable change? Give examples. Question number 2, why melting of ice is considered a reversible change? Question number 3, what is an endothermic change? Give examples. Students, write these answers in your chemistry notebook. Thank you.